How to fix YouTube app loading page problem issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix YouTube app loading page issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the problem is when you open up your YouTube, it actually gets stuck in the loading page and it does not give you the page that you want, such as the new feed. So what you can do instead to fix this issue is first check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi connection and that you do have Wi-Fi. After that, if your Wi-Fi is not the issue, or if your Wi-Fi is not working, you can try to use your mobile data as well. And if your Wi-Fi is not the issue, you can head down, open up your YouTube again, and check if the problem is fixed. If the problem is not fixed, you can head over to your settings. On your settings, you'll need to search for General. Tap on General, then head over to iPhone storage. Tap on it, and right there, what you'll need to do is you will need to search for YouTube. So it's right here. Now offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app. This will clear out the cache of your YouTube, and that should fix the problem. So you can go ahead and check for your YouTube and check if the problem is fixed. If not, you can just head over to update your YouTube app itself. So head over to your app store, search for YouTube, and on your YouTube, if you see an update button instead of the open button like this, tap on update and update your app. That'll fix any bugs or any technical issues that the app has, and that should fix the problem for you. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.